Avoid these foods now if you want to lose belly fat. 1. White bread. White bread is stripped of fiber and nutrients, causing sharp spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels. This tells your body to store more fat, especially around your belly. Replace it with whole grain or oat bread to keep you full longer and reduce cravings. 2. Soda. Soda is loaded with empty calories and high fructose corn syrup, which directly contribute to belly fat. Even diet sodas can disrupt metabolism and increase appetite. Ditching soda completely is one of the fastest ways to shrink your waistline and balance your blood sugar. 3. French fries. Fried foods like French fries are full of unhealthy trans fats that slow metabolism and promote fat accumulation around the abdomen. They also trigger inflammation and bloating. 4. Ice cream. Ice cream combines sugar and saturated fat, a double threat for belly fat. It increases insulin resistance and slows fat burning. Having it often keeps your body in storage mode instead of fat loss mode,